In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Dropbox with our complete 2025 guide. Whether you're encountering sync issues or simply want to ensure that everything is up to date, this tutorial will walk you through each step. Let's start by checking the sync status of your Dropbox. If you're using Windows, locate the Dropbox icon in your system tray located at the bottom right of your screen. For Mac users, you'll find this icon in the menu bar at the top. Click on it and you should see an indication of Dropbox's current sync status. If you notice a rotating arrows icon, this means Dropbox is actively syncing your files in real time. It's a good sign that everything is up to date. However, if this icon isn't visible or seems inactive, your Dropbox may not be syncing correctly. If you've confirmed that Dropbox isn't syncing as expected, you can manually force a refresh. Begin by right-clicking on the Dropbox icon. This brings up a menu where you'll select the Pause Syncing option. Wait for a few seconds to ensure the process has halted before proceeding. Next, select Resume Syncing from the same menu. By toggling these controls, Dropbox will recheck your files and refresh your folder. This can be a quick fix for minor syncing issues and helps ensure everything is aligned. If you're still facing issues after forcing a refresh, the next step is to restart the Dropbox application itself. For those using Windows, you'll right-click on the Dropbox icon again and select Quit Dropbox to close the application. Then go to your Start menu, find Dropbox, and open it again. Mac users will follow a similar process. Click on the Dropbox icon, choose Quit Dropbox, and then reopen the app from your Applications folder. Restarting the app can often resolve issues by fully resetting its sync processes and addressing any temporary glitches. By following these steps, you should now have a refreshed and fully synced Dropbox. It's a straightforward process but can have a significant impact on how successfully your files sync across devices. Remember, keeping your Dropbox application up to date and regularly checking its sync status can help prevent problems before they arise. Thanks for tuning in today. If this guide was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.